Hey, what's up YouTube? I thought I might show you how I made this interior. Into this one where I'm sitting right now. I wanted to do this for a long time in various cars, but now I really went into it because when I have Skoda, I know how to disassemble stuff, remove all the plastics, and so I thought it might be the great opportunity for me to try this, and I'm really happy with the results. And I haven't found any useful tutorial on how to do this, so I thought it would be fun and good to make one. So the first things first, what are you going to need? You will need a paint for your interiors. It's especially useful for this more textile or whatever is the word in English, for these parts which are not really plastic on the surface. It makes them a bit less smooth than they are from the production, but still perfectly cool because at what point you are touching your roof and oh, this is so soft. There's no point like this. So yeah, doesn't bother me. It was great for many things. It was this color. I used the Foliatech interior paint. Great application, easy to use. I use matte black, which I would recommend for this modification because the glossy one looks kinda radioactive on the plastics and stuff. So I would go for matte. First part is you need to disassemble interior from the pillars upwards, which means A pillar, B pillar, and CDs. Then you will need to remove all around lights, handles. Yeah, basically you need to remove everything from your car. And last thing, you will need to remove the headliner itself. That's the tricky part because you need to have a car which allows you to remove it through the trunk. If I would go technically on this and measure my headliner, I would find out that it can't go from back of my car, but I didn't know it will not fit, so I just made it fit. Well, basically with the brute force. Then you need to disassemble as much as you can every moving part, like in the B pillars, the sliders for seat belts and stuff. You really want it disassembled so you can paint it and then move it and have it all black still. Looking back, I would not recommend these interior paints for these parts. Like this is still okay, but let me show you. This is not ideal because it's not very much to be seen in here because this one, yeah, there's a spot, and yeah, here it sucks. But that's nothing you will see from normal usage of your car. But still, I would use a classic paint for plastics. It would be much better. And when I will do this on next car, I will totally use two types. First, the interior paint is really more expensive, like 2 or 3 times more expensive than usual spray can color, and the results will be much better. And if you're going for matte black, there's not really going to be much difference, and I think it's going to be great. You really need to be careful when you are moving these plastics to not damage anything, so you will be able to fit them back, so you won't have to buy new parts. Overall, this modification cost me around 80 bucks, I think. Yeah, it was about 80, maybe no, 100 bucks for all the paint, because well, this is kind of a huge car. This is super second generation. It's long car. It got big headliner, a lot of stupid more parts here which you need to paint, and I'm still not finished. I'm missing the, I don't know what it's called, the little grills in B pillars, which I haven't seen in any other car, just this. And that's also what I would recommend, normal color for plastics, not these crazy interior one. It's something between a plasti dip and normal paint. So yeah, I would recommend it for these parts, not the plastics. not the handles and stuff. Going around the buttons, I chose to leave them with the original color. It doesn't look as bad. You can still see what the button says here and in the back as well. So yeah, I've decided to go like this, and that's basically the thing. Just take your time, be patient, go layer by layer, don't rush things out. We made these in a rush, like when I needed the car to be assembled. So yeah, I would totally recommend it. It gives you a better feel of the interior. It's a bit more sporty, a bit more, I don't know, I would just say nice, because I like black interiors. I don't like the light headliners. This is just very, well, more suited for me, I would say. So yeah, I hope the information I shared with you was helpful. I hope it will help somebody, and if it does, please click the like button and subscribe, because if this video gets some engagement, I'm really thinking of getting this channel alive again, since there's a video I think over 50,000 views or something, which is like total crap video, which I shot on my phone like 4 years ago, about changing a gear knob in a Model G Astra. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell if you're into it, and see you in the next video. Yeah, just got a message. And see you in the next video, if there's going to be such a thing.